I would like to make two statements. Though regarding to our constitution, the structure of our Indian politics is similar, but definitely the style of Indian politics is communal and caste-based. भारतीय राजनीति की संरचना अवश्य अंतर्निरपेक्ष है, लेकिन भारतीय राजनीति की शैली वो सांप्रदायिक है और जातिवादी है. इससे कोई व्यक्ति डिनाई नहीं कर सकता. And there is a very good statement made by somebody, I don't remember the name, that Indians do not cast their vote as much as they vote their caste. भारतीय जो है अपनी वोट इतना कास्ट नहीं करते जितना कि अपनी कास्ट को वोट करते हैं. And this caste factor is a big determinant in democratic politics of India at every level, be it grassroots politics, state politics, or national politics. And right from the distribution of tickets to the fielding of candidates, caste reflects everywhere. Caste is the big determinant of the voting behavior of the Indians. And then in the government formation, in the ministry formation, caste is the big determinant. Everywhere, the whole Indian politics, democratic politics is hidden with caste. And politics always exploits discard. Since there is a lot of discard among Indian castes, that's why politics is exploiting this caste system. And in spite of that, OBCs and SCs, there is a lot of deprivation, marginalization. Because of this deprivation and marginalization, politics can exploit and capitalize on the caste. So these are two comments that I wanted to make. And caste is not going to fade away. Rather, it has resurged. There is a resurgence of caste in the post-Cold War period, or you can say in 90s in India. I recently read a book by, though the book is on the foreign policy, by C. Raja Mohan, Crossing the Rubicon. He has described 5 shifts in Indian politics, domestic politics, and one of the big shifts is resurgence of OBCs and SCs. Today, no political party can dream of winning the elections without getting the favor of these two categories of castes. So, caste is a big factor. Now, the question arises, either this caste system is a helpful factor in nation building or it is a hindrance in nation building. To my mind, it is definitely a hindrance in nation building. But, as Professor Satish Kumar had said, the castes have become very much politicized and they have developed a lot of political consciousness. Their participation has increased. This is a positive trend for democracy of India. But somewhere it is a hindrance to the nation building. So without going into the details and without taking much time, my duty is to offer thanks to everybody who made this great seminar a success. And I would like to say that perhaps God is being grateful on our campus, and He is every day. I will say every other day there is a seminar in this college. This college has become, I think, the most premier institution. I will say first number holder of seminars in the country, I will say. So God is being grateful. And without God's grace, there can be no dance of Saraswati on any courtyard. Tulsidas ji has been very right when he said that Professor Bhurelal ji, Professor of Hindi is there, he will appreciate this. जही पर कृपा करें जन जानी ते ही उर अजिर नचाओ ही बानी. अजिर का मतलब होता है कोर्टयार्ड, कैंपस, आंगन. तो शायद हमारे कैंपस पर भगवान की बहुत बड़ी कृपा है. इसलिए डांस ऑफ सरस्वती हम लोग लगातार देखते रहते हैं, हमारे कैंपस में होता रहता है. और इस डांस ऑफ सरस्वती को सक्सेसफुल बनाने वाले जितने भी लोग हैं, उनको पहले तो मैं सामूहिक रूप से सबको बहुत धन्यवाद देता हूँ. मैं इनॉग्रेशन सेशन में नहीं रहा, प्रियंका उपाध्याय जी आए थे, मैडम प्रियंका उपाध्याय जी भी आई थी, और हमारे शास्त्री निकाय के अध्यक्ष आए हुए थे. जो भी जिन लोगों ने इनॉग्रेट किया इस सेमिनार को एंड दे सेट अ ट्यून, उन सबको मैं हृदय से धन्यवाद देता हूँ. एंड आई थैंक देम प्रोफ्यूजली ऑन बिहाफ ऑफ माय डिपार्टमेंट as well as behalf of the college. And then I thank all the participants who came from different colleges of the city, who came from different cities, who came from different states of India, and they are blood and bone of this seminar. Without them, no seminar can be successful, and seminar is meant for them. So I thank each and every participant of this seminar. And in that sequence, I offer a lot of thanks to my junior and senior colleagues who have been very crucial in organizing all the seminars. What to say of this seminar of my department? All the seminars, each and every member of our college is so devoted in organizing, and I will say that everyone has become expert of holding the seminars because they have been too much habituated in organizing such events. And I will venture to say that this college organizes so nicely a seminar that other colleges and even so many universities, they will envy this thing. So this is because of the great team of our colleagues who make every event a huge success. And then I will also thank the members of technical staff who act behind the curtain, but without them no paperwork can be done, and they are very eager and they are right from titillating and decorating this campus till the benefit of the session. Somewhere the technical members of the college, they keep on working, so they deserve a huge thank. And then thanks are also due to media persons who reported beautifully yesterday's proceedings and who are requested and expected to report today's proceedings as well. And a big thanks is to the students of the college because they are so patient listeners. And nowadays I will say that patiently listening is a rare thing. So students deserve a great thank because they have been very patiently listening very calmly and maintaining a lot of discipline. They deserve a lot of thanks. And then at last, I will thank the dignitaries of the today's valedictory session, Professor Satish Rai. His lecture has been so engaging and enriching that all the time I got a lot of input, and everyone, I hope and I believe that everyone must have got a lot of intellectual enrichment out of this very illustrious, mature and very great lecture. Professor Bhure Lalji has given a very heart-provoking lecture, and I am very impressed that action follows theory. The theoretical work has not been done up to the mark in India, I will say. So a lot of theoretical work has to be done on the caste system, its impact on Indian politics and its impact on nation building. Only then some behavior can take place because every action follows theory. There must be a theory behind every action. So I thank you, sir, profusely for putting forward such great thoughts and for enriching our audience. And Professor Satish Rai जी, आपका लेक्चर इतना बढ़िया था कि मैं बहुत keenly I was wrapped in your lecture. So you deserve a big thank. You came from BSU. You came from another side because as you told us that you are now retired and you must be, I hope, living in some part of Banaras. If I am right, sir? Kashi Vidyapith, you retired from there. So you came all the way from there and you enriched intellectually ourselves. So you deserve a huge thanks, sir. And then thanks are also due to our dynamic, devoted and diligent, intelligent principal, who I will say that he does not give guidance, he does not give leadership, rather he offers guidance. We are never in position to ask anything, rather he is forthcoming in everything, he offers guidance at every level. He is such a big leader, and in his leadership, this college has become the premier institution of holding the seminars. So thank you so much, sir, and thank you everybody, and whom I have forgotten. I thank those people also very much, and each and every member who came to this seminar and who participated in the seminar, media persons, the persons from the administrative system of the city. I thank everybody too much. Thank you so much.